In this video, I'm going to show you how to install StreamFire on Firestick. StreamFire is an IPTV app that allows you to watch live TV, movies, and sports channels. Let's go through the steps to get it installed on your Firestick. Step 1. Enable apps from unknown sources. Before installing any third-party apps, you need to enable apps from unknown sources. From the Firestick home screen, go to Settings. Select My Fire TV. Choose Developer Options. Turn on apps from unknown sources by selecting Turn On. Step 2. Install Downloader app. From the Firestick home screen, go to the search icon. Type Downloader in the search bar and select Downloader from the results. Click Install to download the Downloader app. Step 3. Download StreamFire APK. Open the Downloader app. In the URL field, type the StreamFire APK download link. Make sure to use a trusted source for the link. Click Go, and the APK will begin downloading. Step 4. Install StreamFire. Once the download is complete, a prompt will appear asking if you want to install StreamFire. Click Install and wait for the installation process to finish. Step 5. Open and set up StreamFire. After installation, click Open to launch the StreamFire app on your Firestick. Once opened, you can enter your IPTV playlist or M3U URL to start streaming live TV channels, movies, and more. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.